Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is the update of risex.net login. Still it is not working. It show site cannot be reached. It taking too long to respond. Up to yesterday I have still trust on them. From yesterday I have decided 50%, 90% I have decided for it's a scam. We need to forget our money because there's existing support. The official website, this is the official website, still it has not updated anything, but their telegram support is updating from day to day. Yeah, I will show you that. Before that, yeah, I will show you once. This is on it was deleted yesterday. That means on December 20 this was the telegram support. Before that, when it was working, this is the telegram support which I have. I texted them, they from them side no response. After that, as per today, they have a telegram support like this. Yeah, I texted hi. He was said that hello, to continue activity you need to pay 10 trx. If you 40 tons you will receive 0.9 litecoins, 50 to 90 litecoins and more. He also sent me the address to send the trx. Yeah, you can see the communication between me and the support team. Yeah, just to verify, don't need to lose your money. That's why I sent a 10 trx. It's worth of nearly $1. I sent to them. He said okay sir, but still he was not replied for me until yesterday. You can see my charts. Yeah, for today I have asked for dude what happened. He said 50 trx. Yesterday I already received 10 trx from my side. Now we are expecting for 50 trx. Yeah, you can see here I just texted like him this. He said just send and get. I don't know understand why they are scamming afterwards. Even the website was closed. Please uh, don't don't at any cost, please don't any single trx to this support team. It's a purely scam one. I don't know it is an official one or not, but it is a like an scam. Please don't pay anything for the support team. This is the upgrade up to risex support and risex website. Now move on to the another mining website I will show you today. This is from a warmap feed. Here it is the interface. You can see here that is purely for gaming activity. The token is still not released. I will share this link on description. Just log into the warm app. You can climb up to 2500 XP. Once the token launches, the XPs which you have hold will be converted to the tokens and you will get paid. That means you after the uh, launch of the tokens you will get the tokens with respect to the number of XP which you have. You can play the games. Here it is the entry fee and reward section. For there are some 3 to so many games here. You can play anything like what we paid in in our small age, like that. This is the interface existing mine existing app, means warm app. I have 12,350 XPs. Once it launch the tokens, we will converted that XPs to tokens, their own tokens. We will get earn much as much possible. It's an free earning guys. You did not need to pay anything here. Just go to the gift section and click on the daily reward. You will get 50 rewards for free. You can invite your friends, or if you reported the bug which you've seen, you will get up to the 2500 XPs. Once it was listed, you will get into this and converted to tokens. You can earn something better than others. It's a free one. You can also earn by playing the games. This was the entry fee is 500 XPs. You can earn up to 1,05,750 XPs. There are so much games you can play and earn. This is a gaming platform. That means a gaming token. You can earn it have a bright future. As my thinking, it may have a great future. You can look onto this and earn more guys. It's neat, just an login type, all the same logins you can do that. Just go with this and earn more as much as possible. Then when it converts to tokens, you will get rewarded. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get daily updates about the mining apps and crypto updates. Thank you.